kita coba cari 3 points setiap pertandingan. I always try to do the best for the team. About the numbers, I know I'm very happy when I score, when I the assist, but if we don't win, it doesn't work for nothing. So I prefer don't score, but win 1-0.
Yeah. 3 points.
3 points is the most important for the team.
Yes.
Is the most important. The 3 points, doesn't care if I score or not score. Yeah.
And this your third season in Indonesia, right?
Yeah.
What is different when you come, the regulation maybe, the season in Indonesia?
Yeah. Very interesting the league one now.
Tapi kamu suka dengan regulasi banyak pemain asing nih, sebagai pemain asing nih?
Menurut saya, aku suka because I'm pemain asing, but I can speak. Now I speak with pemain asing,
Okay.
but I can speak like pemain local.
Yes.
They don't have a lot of opportunities for play, and this also is good because pemain local
Bisa compete ya?
ya naik level.
Ya, naik level.
Naik level setiap hari latihan dengan pemain asing naik level. Tapi tidak ada kesempatan untuk main atau kecil. Tidak ada banyak menit ya. So it's good have pros, have kontra.
Yeah. Halo Sobat Antara, selamat datang di redaksi olahraga. Bertemu lagi bersama saya Prada dan juga ada Eza di sini. Dan Eza ini spesial banget, kita masih di Surabaya, Eza.
Spesial.
Ya, karena ini untuk pertama kalinya redaksi olahraga ngobrol langsung sama pemain profesional yang masih aktif di liga. Ya kan? Dan ini bukan pemain sembarangan. Dia ini pernah dinobatkan sebagai best player of the season pada tahun 2024.
Yes.
Siapa lagi kalau bukan Francisco
Rivera.
Ya. Terima kasih.
Hola Francisco.
Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy
It's
bien.
true?
It's true, ya, you are good.
Oke.
Kamu jangan bicara bahasa Meksiko. Nanti kalau dijawab kita nggak bisa jawab.
Cuma mencoba. Pertama, terima kasih sudah meluangkan waktunya di sini ya.
Terima kasih.
I'm sorry if our English is not good, but I hope you understand, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Before we talk about your career now, I want to go back a little. How your first journey to the football?
Aku dari
Oke.
dari Mexico. I start when I was 4 years old.
4 years old, okay.
I always try to shoot the ball. I always run for the ball. So I was very happy when I was playing football.
Okay.
My mom bring me to the class to learn better, and I continue, and I'm very happy when I was playing football.
So you from football family or not? Your father, right?
No, I'm surprised because my father, my uncles doesn't like the football.
Okay.
Only my big brother like a little bit, and I'm the first one to play like in amateur after professional in the all my family.
So, jadi kamu pemain sepak bola profesional pertama?
Yeah,
in your big family.
yeah.
Wow.
So what was your first position when you play?
I start like a keeper.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Why?
Aku suka
Why?
main.
Suka menangkap bola ya?
Ya. Tapi aku kecil.
Oh.
Ya.
Bola di atas bahaya dan
Habis gol.
Gol ya. Makanya aku ganti posisi
Oke.
di gelandang nomor 10
10.
dan nomor 8. Dan aku suka main di sini.
Oh, itu nomor 10 itu kamu yang milih atau pelatih kamu yang minta kamu bermain di situ?
Ya, aku suka main nonton video
Oke.
sama Iniesta, Xavi.
Oh, oke.
Aku grown up with itu Messi.
In that era ya.
Aku ikutnya follow these videos. So aku akan main sama Messi, sama Iniesta, sama Xavi, dan aku memilih, tapi pelatih dia bilang oke, kamu bisa, dan aku suka main di itu posisi.
So your biggest influence is Andres Iniesta.
Iniesta, Messi, aku
Suka ya?
this Barcelona,
Oke.
they mark my
You Barca fan?
ya
Ya. Saya betul.
ya apa? Madrid
Fiska Barca.
sama?
Liverpool.
Ah,
The Reds.
Okay,
Okay,
no
okay.
problem.
Oh, no problem,
Okay.
ya.
Real Madrid problem.
We beat you.
I finish,
Ya, ya.
We beat you in semifinal. 2000 and
Almost finished,
Yeah.
4-0 in Anfield.
Yeah, I remember.
And then you play in another country like Mexico, Venezuela, Kosovo, ya. What is the biggest challenge in the other country, different country? I mean,
Yeah, when I was like a professional, I play in the best team in Mexico. The biggest team is
Yes.
Club America.
Yeah, Copa
Okay.
America.
I can go to the one World Cup clubs in Japan.
Yes.
oh, ya.
And I was very happy in this club. Maybe I move in Mexico, and my first challenge outside is in Venezuela.
Okay.
It's a beautiful country, but have a lot of problems. This is my first time, like when I was outside to the country. Is good because I speak the same language,
Oh.
but the adaptation is not so good inside the pitch, and I prefer come back
Back,
to the
yeah.
Mexico.
Yes.
And after mine through the Mexico,
Oh, yeah.
and I was in Kosovo.
Yes.
I played 2 years there.
And
but
big champion in Kosovo.
yeah,
Yeah.
You scored one goal. in
Yeah,
final.
in free kick.
Oh,
and
yeah.
Oh, free kicks.
we was champion of cup.
Yeah, yeah.
We can go to the conference league. So in this a big challenge because I didn't speak English,
Yeah.
Albanese. I didn't
Albanese.
speak nothing. The coach, I don't understand nothing. But inside the pitch is universal. The football
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
is
The
with
football
language.
language, yeah, is
So
universal.
it's very important to you can adapt inside the pitch. Maybe outside the pitch is different. So after I have the offer to move to Indonesia, and to be honest, I don't know a lot of
Indonesia football,
Indonesia like a country,
Yeah, okay.
like a football. So, but I put in Google. I have a because I know about Bali.
Oh,
I know
just Bali.
about the clothes. They fabric a lot of
Oh,
clothes here,
yeah,
made
yeah.
in Indonesia.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay,
But
okay, okay.
if we are in the opposite side of the world in Mexico, you don't know about a lot of countries. But when I investigate, I like, and I say we go to Indonesia.
Okay. And you be first Mexican player in Indonesia, right?
The
Siapa
first
yang
one.
menghubungin kamu pertama kali?
Nah.
Yang call you.
Yeah,
First time.
this is strange because I received like invitation for DM for Instagram.
Yeah.
Oh,
From
Instagram.
who?
Yeah,
From who?
from the one agent.
Agent.
Oh,
agent.
Yeah,
Okay.
one agent. He told me you want to join to Madura, and this I start to this be real or not. But when I fly, everything is good, is fine, and we are so happy, my family and me.
Okay, okay. Rivera. And I think you are the one of the foreign player who adapted fast in Indonesia, ya. First season you
Best
be
player.
best player in Madura.
Dan
What is the key about the adaptation?
Yeah, the key I think is the you want to be here, to be important to the team, to because we love in Indonesia, my family and me. We know how is the people. Is very
Culture, ya.
the culture
Yeah.
about the food. We don't have problems. Some players have a
Problem.
from pedas.
Pedas, ya.
Kita makan
Pedas
pedas di Mexico.
Oh. Cocok dia.
Yeah, all these things, I try to put the best, the professional to inside the pitch, but outside the pitch, I try to give my 100% to take care about my body, to sleep well, and this we can give the MVP for the
Yeah,
season.
for the season.
Was the first player welcome you in Madura?
Yeah, I speak with Beto Gonçalves.
Beto Gonçalves,
Yeah.
masih di sana.
In that moment there is Fahrudin Arianto.
Faroji,
The captain.
the captain, yeah. I was with Jaja,
Jaja,
Gomez, yeah, Cleverson, Luliña. Have a lot of players. Also, the coach Mauricio, he
Yeah.
bring me
Oh, okay.
to Indonesia. He decided
Yeah.
he can bring me. So I was very happy the first season
Yeah.
in
Final, boss.
Indonesia, like a country. I was very happy.
The best squad Madura, I think. Jaja,
Yeah.
Rivera.
That season ya.
In that season
Yeah.
there is Fahrudin, the captain, the leader.
Yeah,
Cleverson. Keeper Frigeri, I think.
Before Spider-Man.
Oh, Wawan.
Wawan Hendra.
One, yeah. And we have after Frijair, yeah.
Oh, best squad. And then kamu ke final.
Yeah, against
Persib.
Persib.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Unfortunately you lose.
We lose, yeah.
But I think my question is di momen mana kamu tahu Madura will finish in top of the competition?
Yeah, we know Madura before they start very well the first round.
Yes.
Yes.
After in the second round go a little bit drop.
Yeah.
But we know about this history, and we say we can change this. We can because we drop. We say why? So we need to change, and we start to win, and we finish at this time have a championship series.
Yes.
So
Series, yeah.
we play the semifinal against Borneo.
You win.
We win, so I think we deserve to be in the final.
Ya, sangat sayang. Finalnya di Madura.
Final
Dan
terakhir
Madura,
ya.
Dan kalah.
di Bangkalan ya.
Di Bangkalan, but
Yeah.
kamu di musim itu 9 gol, 18 assist.
Ya.
Your best season in here and I think in your
Career.
entire career.
Karja.
Best player dan di momen itu Rivera banyak tim yang ingin mendapatkanmu.
Yeah, I like you say the best time, the best numbers in my career. I always selalu main untuk team.
Ya.
I want the best for the team, not only for me. So this very important. After, like you said, some teams ask about me, but I live in Surabaya. I
Yes.
was in this city.
Yeah.
So for me, when Persibaya asked about me, I was decided, I convinced to be here, and I very happy to pilih Persibaya.
Yeah. But who is your first roommate when you first come to Indonesia?
Beto is your first roommate?
Brandao.
Oh,
Emil
Brandao.
Ya.
Ya, sekarang dia kembali lagi ya di Madura ya.
Ya, dia di Madura.
Oh.
Tapi ya di
Itu musim pertamanya Brandao juga.
ya
Ya, musim pertama tuh.
Tapi waktu welcome Beto, welcome to you, apa yang dia katakan?
dia bilangi di
Legend
Portugis ya. Dia orang baik. Ya, like selamat datang.
Yeah.
Ya, in Portuguese, bienvenido.
Yeah,
And we are here
Yeah.
about whatever you want.
Yeah.
And this a lot of Brazilian at this team.
Yes.
So I feel comfortable because it's similar the language Portuguese and Spanish.
Oh, yeah.
Similar, not 100%
yeah.
like same, but similar, and I can try to speak. I speak Portuñol, but they speak Portuguese. I understand.
Yeah.
Like,
Siapa pemain lokal di Madura yang paling dekat sama kamu?
At this time, I play very good with Malik Rizalde. Now it's
And the same in the
here.
same, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
They bring together to Persibaya. I not local player, but Jacob Mahler, Coco also.
Coco Ari.
Coco Ari.
Yeah.
Persebaya tuh right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, after impression season in Madura, the big opportunity come from Persebaya. what your first impression when Persebaya approached you to join with the team?
Yeah, my first impression was when I play here
Yeah.
with Madura against Persibaya. When I see this stadium,
The
this
Bonek, eh?
this
Bonek
all the
mania.
Bonek mania, this the ambient, I say it will be nice to play here.
Yeah.
After I received the offer, and I know the about the city, so for me, for my family was easy
Adapted,
to adapt here in Surabaya with the team, because the facilities, the organization in the team is like a professional. I was very happy here in Surabaya, in Persibaya.
Apakah kamu dapat tawaran lain juga, Rivera?
Setelah itu,
Ya.
setelah final Madura itu,
Ya.
dapat tawaran dari klub lain apa
Selain
Persebaya
Persib.
aja?
Ya ada
Rumor banyak.
rumor, banyak rumor.
Iya.
Tapi di concrete, di serious,
Yes.
I speak with the manager in Persibaya after final. I rest a little bit after we decide with the agent. So again, I think I was take the best option for me.
Okay, and then what do you think when you first debut in GBT maybe, and you first to see the Bonek full? What you think about the Bonek?
My first game,
Yeah.
I was in holidays. For example, I was in Wednesday and we have game Saturday,
Yes.
Oh
yes.
yeah,
anniversary game.
yes.
So I arrived one day before for see all this, and was incredible. Anniversary game, the Bonek is luar biasa.
Luar biasa Bonek
With
ya.
with the lights, red
Yeah.
lights, we win. But the coach told me, you want to entry. Okay, 5 minutes. I'm 80 minutes. They start with the lights
Yeah.
and finish the game. I play 1 minute. Okay, no problem. Because I travel
No
a
problem.
long time, but to play here is very special for me, because it's incredible this all support about Bonek. So it's luar biasa.
So far, how your perasaan kamu setelah gabung sama Persebaya, dah 2 musim ini bagaimana?
Ya, kita senang sekali di sini. Aku profesional, aku memberi 100% setiap pertandingan, dan de kontribusi. Aku selalu kontribusi lari, kontribusi mungkin tidak ada gol atau assist, tapi lari, effort,
Iya.
itu 100%.
Ya, saya kemarin lihat waktu pertandingan lawan Madura, luar biasa. Kamu ada di mana-mana saya lihat ya.
Ya,
Vokat ya.
aku lari banyak ya.
Iya, iya.
Tapi saya rasa di saat yang bersamaan kamu marah di situ.
Ya, marah ya, aku marah, frustrasi. Aku tidak suka kalah. Ya.
And,
Oke, Kak.
musim ini 7 gol 6 assist, Rivera. Dan always 2 digit, 2 digit.
Ya.
Ya, 2 digit goal dan assist from Madura, your first season in Persebaya, and then your second season in Persebaya, always 2 digit. I think cukup sukses ya di
Yeah.
Indonesia sebagai foreign player. Dan gimana, Rivera? I think your ex is not
Not happy about that ya.
No. Maksudnya usianya juga nggak terlalu tua juga, nggak terlalu muda juga maksudnya.
Yeah.
Udah 31 tahun ya, I think.
Matang.
Yeah.
Ya.
But you still consistent.
Ya, like I told you before,
Yeah.
seperti aku bilang, aku profesional, aku coba tidur bagus,
Yeah.
makan bagus,
So,
de latihan berjuang 100%.
yes.
Semua itu untuk memberi untuk tim. Kita coba cari 3 points setiap pertandingan. I always try to do the best for the team. About the numbers, I know I'm very happy when I score, when I the assist. But if we don't win, it doesn't work for nothing. So I prefer don't score but win 1-0.
Yeah.
3 points.
3 points is the most important
Yeah, yeah.
for the team.
Yes.
Is the most important. The 3 points, doesn't care if I score
or I
or not
score.
score. Yeah,
Dan fun fact-nya, di musim ini Rivera, kamu dapat 2 kartu merah.
yeah.
Right, ya.
Dan ini kartu merah terbanyak kamu sepanjang karir. Dan why?
Kenapa itu?
2 kartu merah. I think kamu bukan tipe pemain yang suka
gitu ya?
emosional.
Ya, lawan Persib,
Ya, lawan Persib ya.
aku salah dengan frustrasi.
You missed the tackle, I think.
Yeah, because
The ankle ya.
the ankle after they score,
Yeah.
the frustrasi, masalah. I say sorry, and this okay. But the next one against Kediri
Kayak gini-gini deh.
is like with the bar, some
Yeah.
action will be more or less. And this with the camera, I do like reflex. I didn't kick him. I asked, I asked with him. He was, not my fault. I know, but you can say to the Wasit.
Referee.
Okay, and after 3 games for this,
Ya.
okay, but after this, I say I need to recover
Your mentality.
the mentality because I worked so hard, almost 1 month rest.
Yes.
So it's difficult. The soccer player need to be strong mentalitas because sometimes lose, win, have decision of the Wasit, like maybe it's good or bad. You need to be consistent and quality mentalitas.
Yeah. Now that's interesting. I want to ask you about the wasit ya, the referee. What is different the wasit in here? You can main in another country.
Yeah, Mexico.
So what is different? Is the same case or not?
Wasit di sini sama di sana deh.
Yeah.
Ya,
Gimana?
aku tidak suka bicara
Okay.
about this
Okay.
because they are orang,
Yeah.
they are person
Oh.
like me, like you.
Have
There's
a mistake,
sometimes they have mistake or not,
Yeah.
but now with the bar help a little bit, but normal.
Yeah.
Sometimes today can make mistake for Persibaya, tomorrow for Persilla. This is the football, and this is like a beautiful because the Wasit is people like they need to work.
I know.
And I hope they stay to work to be better.
Ya, inilah pentingnya ada VAR ya, Rivera ya. Teknologi. Jadi bisa membantu wasit kalau misal salah, misal offside, VAR is there ya.
Tapi VAR selalu benar apa enggak?
Aku suka the VAR.
Oh, suka.
I think it's a little bit
Fair ya.
Okay.
fair. Not 100% because have decision,
Yeah.
decision 50-50.
Better ya.
Hand
Better
or-
than FIFA ya.
But yeah, I like it. Like I think is fair. It's fair.
Ya, because you know sebelum ada VAR, kita offside udah.
Yeah.
It's not offside, Rivera.
Di sini di Mexico have a lot of
Same case, ya?
yeah.
Same-
Okay.
So I think the football is a little bit fair with the
VAR.
Okay. And this your third season in Indonesia, right?
Yeah.
What is different when you come the regulation maybe the season in Indonesia?
Yeah.
Foreign.
Obviously the foreigners now we are 11 foreigners. I think
Too much.
the level of the league
Okay.
also be competitive
Okay.
because pemain asing main de ganti dengan pemain asing.
Yes.
So itu bar lagi ada banyak teams mau juara
Betul.
dan is very interesting
Yeah.
the league one now.
Tapi kamu suka dengan regulasi banyak pemain asing nih sebagai pemain asing nih?
Aku pemain asing.
Iya, tapi
Ya, menurut saya aku suka because I'm
Yeah.
pemain asing.
Yeah.
But I can speak now. I speak with pemain asing.
Oke.
But I can speak like pemain local.
Yes.
They don't have a lot of opportunities for play and this also is good because pemain lokal
Bisa compete ya?
ya naik level.
Ya, naik level.
Naik level setiap hari latihan dengan pemain asing naik level. Tapi tidak ada kesempatan untuk main atau kecil. Tidak ada banyak menit ya. So it's good have pros, have contra.
Iya, iya.
But we need to respect and they decide. They know more than me for what this decision. So I hope like is the best for Indonesia for the level of the league.
I think Riva, masalah sebenarnya juga kompetisi kita cuma satu.
Yeah.
Yang the competition is just one. There is no like a FA Cup. There is no, piala, piala. If their competition like this, maybe the local player still can have minute.
Yeah.
You agree with that?
Yeah, have
Important the two competition at least in
Yeah, sometimes this is true, but also the schedule of the season.
Yeah.
We work so hard. We have a lot of pertandingan. So everything they decide, we are open like a players. We love to play, and we will give 100% of when we are inside the pitch.
Sebelum ke pertanyaan lain nih, ada fun fact lainnya Rivera. Kamu di Indonesia memakai nomor punggung 7. Sebelumnya kamu nggak pernah pakai nomor punggung 7. Why? Apa filosofi di balik itu? What's the story behind
The number.
the number?
Ya, sebelum aku suka number 10.
Ya.
Ya, nomor 23.
Ya 23.
Ya, dan 23 de birthday.
Oh, your
September,
birthday,
okay.
23 September, this obviously number 10 because I like to play the position.
Yes.
But number 7 at this time have another player with number 10. I say they suggest me to play with the number 7 is important and I say okay. Like I told you before, why not?
Yeah.
I always try to do the same. Why not go Indonesia? Why not go? Because I'm very open to be a new things. And a lot of opportunities can be better. So there's about this number I take and I only keep for Persibaya when I come here. I ask for the number 7 and I take it.
Ya, because biasanya number 7
Marcelino
ya di penyerang sayap, winger. Galih Freitas maybe number 7 and then Malik.
Yeah, Malik 7-7.
It's fair, okay?
Yeah.
7-7.
And Rivera, your contract will be end in this the end of season. Do you have a plan to stay in Persebaya or what?
Ya lah, seperti selalu aku bilang, mimpiku di jadi juara di Persibaya.
Okay.
Tapi kita tunggu, kita fokus di musim ini. Pertandingan kita fokus di the next game. Sorry. And the most important is to finish the best way to Persibaya try to be di atas in the position.
Artinya kamu nyaman ya di Surabaya ya?
Nyaman.
Ya,
dan kamu tadi bilang cocok sama makanan di Jawa Timur. Kira-kira apa yang kamu suka? Makanan apa?
Rawon setan.
Aku suka nasi goreng. Rawon
ya.
Ya,
local food
ya, bubur.
Nasi goreng is umum.
Ya,
Rawon I think
Rawon is from Surabaya.
Yeah, from Surabaya.
Ya, sate
is from Madura.
Sate Madura, sate kambing ya. Aku suka pedas.
Rujak you suka rujak cingur?
Rujak. No, enggak tahu.
Mas try.
Enggak tahu.
Rujak cingur.
Enak?
Mix vegetable.
Yeah, vegetable and then there is rice. and then tofu, tahu, you know tahu.
Yeah,
Nah,
tahu.
you must ask Ustona maybe.
Okay. After this, I go
Good try,
straight.
ya.
Yeah.
Oke.
And he pay, yeah? I tell you, you told me.
Yeah,
Oke, we also have to talk about your adaptation is so fast. And tadi kita ada berbahasa Indonesia. Nah, ini kenapa kamu tiba-tiba pengen belajar bahasa Indonesia? Sedangkan biasanya banyak pemain asing nggak mau belajar bahasa Indonesia gitu.
Ya.
Ada alasan apa?
Ya, kita bilang about adaptasi.
Iya,
Ya, adaptasi.
Ya, adaptasi lebih baik di luar, di masuk di lapangan. So, aku pikir bicara bahasa Indonesia lebih penting untuk komunikasi dengan pemain, dengan pelatih. Tuh, kapan kamu mau bicara, to be the same, because sometimes with the translate,
It's different.
change, ya,
Ah, ya.
berbeda sedikit. Tapi kapan kamu coba bicara bahasa Indonesia,
Iya.
orang di sini
Respect.
respect,
Ya,
appreciate,
Ya.
kamu coba, mungkin tidak 100%, tapi kamu coba, and itu orang di sini respect dan
Respect,
appreciate.
ya.
Ya.
Siapa pemain yang sering membantu kamu belajar bahasa Indonesia?
Aku
Persebaya?
ya semua pemain lokal aku tanya dan apa itu bagaimana artinya apa
Oke.
setiap hari dengan Hernando, Coco.
Hernando pakai bahasa Jawa?
Ya, tapi susah.
Susah.
Ya,
Hernando.
Irianto
Ajarin,
bilang
Hernando.
antara.
bahasa Jawa.
Yeah, I know a little bit words. I almost I told you like chanjo. I cannot. Yeah, I know a little bit words.
Beautiful
but-
words.
Yeah, I know it's beautiful. When I miss the shoot,
Yeah.
I say no, I cannot say
Ya,
that.
pulang
Now
ke
I know.
Surabaya, Rivera.
Yeah, this is good. Yeah.
And that's important. Out of the pitch, bukan hanya di sepak bola, tapi kalau kamu mau memulai bisnis di Indonesia, the language is important for you, right?
Yeah, the language is important because if you want to go to the supermarket,
Nah,
sometimes orang tanya membantu sedikit
Ya.
atau tidak bisa show the
QR,
HP.
ya.
So this is important for every day. If you drive, if you have some problems, so you need to know at least the basic about
itu
the
sih basics.
yeah.
Dan mungkin juga penting juga buat kamu Rivera. Kalau kamu nanti udah tahu two more years you
can be.
Associate.
Yeah.
and then who knows you
Yeah.
you will be in Garuda Calling. I know.
Ya,
Interesting about that.
interesting, menarik ya. Tapi 2 more years, I'm 33.
yeah.
So now the teams have a
Many
very good
player, right?
very good player. The night
Level
level.
up, yeah.
So we will see. I like to think step by step,
Okay.
game by game, season to season. We will see how is the body. We have how is the things in Mexico, but I love in Indonesia. My family like a lot to be here in this beautiful country. So we will see.
So, Rivera, what do you usually do? Another selain sepak bola, kamu ngapain biasanya?
Off the pitch.
Ya,
Yeah.
di hobi, aku punya hobi seperti main tenis, main
tenis.
padel. Padel, nah
Oh.
sekarang
Lagi
padel
di mana-mana ya?
di padel mulai di Meksiko.
Oh, oke.
Ya, 10 tahun lalu.
Iya.
Sekarang
Baru
di
mulai
sini
sini ya?
baru ya.
Iya.
Tapi aku suka main padel.
game.
Nonton Netflix.
Netflix, oke.
Ya, aku suka nonton sepak bola.
Sepak bola.
Football game
Yeah.
you don't like?
FIFA.
I like FIFA. I
FIFA.
like to play for
Maybe
FIFA.
we can battle.
I'm very good. I'm very good.
You good in FIFA ya?
Yeah.
Oke, Rivera, this the last question ya maybe ya. What are your hope with Persebaya in this season maybe or the future?
Bahasa Indonesia maybe ya?
Ya, in Indonesia.
Ya, kita tahu Persibaya tim besar. Ekspektasi tinggi setiap musim, setiap pertandingan di main di sini. Aku tahu di main di sini susah karena kamu harus tetap konsisten, kuat mental dan memberi 100%. Tapi aku memberi itu for the team dan in this season we will try, kita akan coba to selesai di atas.
Oke.
Kita tahu susah to berjuang untuk juara,
Oke.
tapi kita mau main masuk di empat besar, lima
Oke.
besar. Dan for the next season, I think Persebaya is a big team. They need to be in the first position. Always have the best fans, the best bonex, good stadium, good facilities, good organization. Have a lot of things to be champions.
Yeah.
So we will see, and I hope kita di dalam tim percaya mungkin.
Ya, oke. Oke, sekali lagi terima kasih Rivera atas waktunya. Thank you for your time, for sharing with us. Dan semoga kamu ke depannya lebih sukses dan sehat selalu. Ya.
Terima kasih.
Oke, Sobat Antara, terima kasih. Itu tadi episode kita bareng Rivera. Jangan lupa baca berita olahraga dari sumbernya hanya di antaranews.com dan episode lainnya di YouTube Antara TV Indonesia. Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa.